Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Schwab mobile app, secure access step by step clearly. Open the Schwab mobile app on your device. If you have not downloaded the app, visit your device's app store to do so. Once the app opens, you will see the login screen. Enter your Schwab account credentials in the designated fields. Type your username in the first box. Next, enter your password in the second box. If you would like the app to remember your credentials, check the Remember Me box. To enhance security, you may need to enable biometric login options such as fingerprint or facial recognition. If you are logging in for the first time, follow any additional prompts to set up this feature. After entering your information, tap the Login button. If your credentials are correct, you will gain access to your Schwab account dashboard. If you encounter any issues logging in, ensure that you check your internet connection. If you've forgotten your username or password, select the appropriate link on the login screen for recovery options. Follow the prompts provided to recover your account information. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the app's features for easy navigation. For added security, consider enabling two-factor authentication within your account settings. Always log out when finished using the app, especially on shared devices. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.